Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 6th of September 2023. Here to talk about Sofi because since I did my last video, we actually found buyers. And I told you all that on my prior video in Sofi on the 24th of August that we could see buyers enter the market right here on our top portion horizontal line at $8. And that is precisely what the market did right here on the 24th. It's where the market in Sofi was trading. And you guys can see since then the market has lifted. So yes, this is an area of support. Cool. But are we still weak in the longer term? Or is that the bottom? This area right here is $8 for Sofi. Let's look at this on the monthly chart first. Okay, because one of the negative things I don't like is how Sofi gave us a massive move to the upside for the month of July. The market ended up 37% in that 1 month, right? And you would expect that to continue, to expect the bulls to continue to break this market up above $12, but they didn't do it. Instead, sellers entered in and pulled down the price for the month of August. That is something that can actually put a lid on how bullish a stock can be. Now, what do you think about this? Could the market in Sofi actually continue to be bullish? Yes, from a monthly chart, because the price is still trending up. So we could be just a little bit weak looking for the price in Sofi to come down, which is why we have our targets already in play. So from a monthly chart, we're not in the clear to see the market break out. We still have a little cushion to allow this market to come lower. Take a look at Sofi on the 5 weeks. Okay, this is the last completed 5-weekly bar. Are we bullish? Are we bearish? For us to not see price close above the highs of these two 5-weekly bars, I would have to lean more towards price still being weak. Look at this on the 3 weeks. Like, charts don't lie. That definitely is selling and weakness there. So even though we've seen price and buyers hit the market around $8, it's going to take a lot for them to really bring it up here to $10.25. Not to say that they won't do it, but our analysis will have to change if we see the market come up here in Sofi at 10.25 on strength, because the market definitely will be more bullish than it is giving us the hints of bearishness. Okay, here it is on the on the 2 weeks. So yeah, these buyers who came into the market here on these 2-weekly price bars, they're still here now. They're here buying. They're not allowing the market to go down, which is a good thing for the buyers. But how much money do they really have to continually buy whoever is selling their Sofi in the market? Here it is on the weekly. So I do think as of right now, the market in Sofi does have some legs to go up. But how high? Well, I would say maybe to the highs of these areas, like to 950. And then we'll have to talk. All right. So yes, price is not going in my direction right now. I do recognize that. And I do suspect that price has the ability to go up from here. But I'm looking at this area right there around 945, maybe up there towards $10, right? But then that's where I'm going to be on the investigation. I'm going to look for sellers to come back to push back this price in Sofi again. So I'm not going to change anything yet, but that's where I'm looking for the sellers to re-enter and try to push down the market in Sofi, right? So I'm not going to change anything, but I do want you all to know that I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in Sofi go up. And I've already told you where I would be looking for the sellers to re-enter in. All right, so this is my thoughts. I'm not going to change anything yet. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. If anything changed for you, if you're bullish because you have seen buyers hit the market at $8, or are you still bearish in the long term, i.e. monthly time frame, or even on a 5 weeks, 3 weeks time frame? Give me your thoughts. Welcome to everyone who is new. Hit the like button. Should have also subscribe. This is what it takes to just simply come through and get your bias as to, is the market bullish or bearish? Do you think the market is a buy or a sell? That's it. It doesn't take all of this fractals and harmonic patterns and rotations and utilizing MACDs and Stochastic. Like, just look at the market for what it is. What is the majority doing? because you cannot have a balanced scale when it comes to stocks. One side has to outweigh the other. And currently, it's the buyers currently outweighing the sellers. But how high would they be able to take the price before the sellers tip the scale? That's it. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.